just finished putting together my bike, so I guess I'll do a little bike check. There's new forks, new front wheel, new pedals, new bar ends. Alright, I'll start with the front. I have stolen vortex bar ends, ODI Longneck Grips, Odyssey LumberJack bars painted, and the sticker says no wood pushers. A stock Eastern stem, Eastern Traildigger frame, Shadow creeper forks, 26mm offset, Alienation Deviant rim laced to Demolition Bulimia hub, Odyssey Aaron Ross tires all around, Shadow Ravanger PC pedals, Madera Graffiti crank, Shadow Scream Sprocket, KMC black and yellow chain, Shadow Orbis back with the 10-tooth Rant and Rant version 2 hub, and a Shadow seat post and Odyssey plastic seat, and Eastern headset, and that's it.